Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I thought I would do a little video of our Costco haul and show you our favorites. So we do have food at the house, not like a ton of it, but we were in need of some lunch stuff, and plus we needed a couple of extra things that I wanted to show you some of our favorite stuff. So I'm just gonna show you really quick and hopefully I don't spend too much money. Thanks. So we got some really good stuff, but also some expensive stuff. So I'll show you our favorites in a minute. We're just getting pizza for the kids. You know what's not fun? Unloading your car as quickly as possible because it's raining outside. Yep. What a nice day to come. Oh well. We got good stuff. All right, we came back. My hair is nice and messy. The rain has subsided over where we live, which I am happy about. And now it's time to show you what I brought or what I bought from Costco. I'll tell you, we spent $280, but some of that was like some of the house essentials, toilet paper, flushable wipes, those kinds of things. So we'll deduct that off. I'll show you what we got. Like I already mentioned, these are some of our favorite things. Plus, I had to get some lunch items, and Paul was a little low on some of his things that I even like to eat too. So I was in the mood of getting more fruits and veggies, so I got this. This one's I love broccoli salad. In fact, I have a recipe here, I'll add, where I made a video on making my own version of this, which is probably better. But this is just, I like it too because I love sweet tomatoes. So Jones Broccoli Madness, love it. And also they have really great Crystal Light for a great price. I believe it's like in the $5 range. So that's a lot of lemonade for Crystal Light anyways. And one of the best things I love getting at Costco are the cheeses. They're only in the $4 for 2 pounds. So I was thinking I might cube that up to have maybe as a snack or something, but also just to grate it for recipes. It's so good. And then look at their snack bar. They have these yummy chicken salads. So every time I go, I try to get one and just keep it in the fridge for the next day for my lunch. This is like $3, $3.99 I think, but that is a lot of salad. So on to the next. So this time we decided not to get the fruit and the nuts with the cheese, the convenience like little circle thing that's so yummy. We decided to just do it ourselves. So that's why I got the cheese, but I also got this yummy trail mix. So we're a fan of trail mix. We do love them. And this one. Let me show you these. Look at how perfect those walnuts with those cranberries, all of that yummy goodness. It just looked like it was perfect to eat. And then look at this one. It has pumpkin seeds. Paul is like really liking that it has berries in it. And so what I'll do is just put them in little individual containers for him to have with his lunch or just for snacks. We also got this cereal, which is more of a granola, but it's packaged like a cereal. It's kind of fun. It just looks super good, organic, so I feel really good about this one. And even though it is not actually made with anything that has gluten in it, I believe, right, Paul, when you were explaining it? It has whole grain rolled oats and brown rice flour. The brown rice is gluten-free, but it's made in a factory that can't say they use it for something else. So that's why they can't write gluten-free, which is fine with us. We're just happy to have it because it's organic. And going on with organic, these are my favorite tortillas ever. So these Fresca tortillas, their ingredients are literally like flour and oil and salt. I mean, like water. It's just good stuff. And so they are delicious. So if you think about going out to a restaurant, getting like the best burrito you've ever had, that tortilla is so good. Kind of tastes like that. That's what I think. So I put half in the freezer, and then I'll make a batch of them, and my kids like to make quesadillas with them. So Paul loves these. These are his favorite easy go-to beef jerky packets. So they're easy for him to take to work, and they're already sectioned off. I don't even have to touch them. Yay. This is my favorite butter. Every time I go to Costco, I like getting it. This doesn't last very long in our house just because I make a lot of things from scratch. So usually recipes call for butter. This, have you ever had Noosa yogurt? It is so good. In fact, this lemon one here, like literally tastes like a lemon cheesecake to me. So good. And then we got just some steaks because for Mother's Day, I wanted some steaks. So Paul's gonna grill me some steaks. Yes. And I always get eggs at Costco, the cage-free ones. These are such a good price. They're under $4. And I used to always get the organic ones, the brown ones, but these ones I think are more economical. I purchased this Chobani Greek yogurt, this plain, for making more of those yummy, yummy bagels. So if you haven't seen that, it's just like a couple of videos back. So easy, so good. And these were on sale at Costco for under $3. I think it was like $2.80 something. And so because I'm gonna be making more, I got my tomatoes. Oh, I love these with lemon pepper on them. So good. And of course for salads, which I got a salad kit for Mother's Day. So maybe I will add a tomato to it. And maybe some of these. Oh, just some cucumbers. Love the cucumbers. In fact, the cucumbers and the tomatoes will go together sometimes in my bagel that's high in protein. So good. We were a little bit low on peanut butter, so now I know we're stocked for the summer because a lot of times my kids just want peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, which is fine because I make the jelly or the jam. It's good. And of course, we have these for their lunches for the next couple of weeks. These are my favorite. I love Oreos. Let me know in the comments if you're an Oreo fan. Now, I know that Oreo had made a huge Oreo, and I remember it was recently at Winco, and I couldn't find it, so I must have missed the campaign. But let me know in the comments if you found those big Oreos, because they looked delicious. Got some more bananas. We go through lots of bananas, and then if we don't, I just make some banana bread, which I just recently made some chocolate banana muffins with chocolate chips. A lot of chocolate going on. Plus, we got some of this for our dinner coming up. I started buying these because the Binghams really like them. And so they're very easy. They're already in the marinade, ready to go, the carne asada. And it is pretty good. Pretty dang good for it to be quick out of the bag. That's what I think. We got a couple bags of chips, just some tortilla chips, and these ones were on sale for like $3. And these ones are super good because they're just basically potato fried in oil and then just some salt. So just the ingredients you can read on the back, which I prefer. First off, before I forget, see, I got toilet paper and these flushable wipes. Now, Paul and I were just talking about how we've used some different ones in the meantime after we ran out recently with those, and we weren't fans. So this one we really, really liked. Plus, I wanted to get some melons, and I can't wait to cut them up and eat them. I'm just feeling like the weather's warming up, and I just looked at the label, and it's an organic watermelon. Isn't that great? It was only like $5.99. These are Ezra's favorites. These are also organic. So I'm loving that Costco carries so many organic items. Now, I know Tina's mentioned her before, but the lady at Just Ingredients, she has really great options and easy to learn the whys behind you should choose these better ingredients. And she always says that your money is where we make decisions. And so that's where the stores will change what they have because we're buying more of these kinds of things. So, or the other organic stuff. So here is some Killer Dave's. My second son, Kobe, he really, he's the one who got us going on this. He asked a couple months back for some wheat breads. So now we just kind of get a pack every time we go. And this one here is for Paul. These are, you can see it's clean. I do love the Orgain brand, and even in the powder form. So if you ever see the powder form, super good in almond milk, or if you drink soy milk, just try to get it organic. So these are all clean. It says no preservatives. It's like super good. And I'm really sensitive about tasting preservative. It's why I don't care for a lot of bagged salads, and I go through spurts with that. Saw this naan bread, and I thought we could make little mini pizzas with that with the kids. Just, I'll put half in the freezer, keep half in the fridge. Good go-to. And I saw these turkey breasts, oven roasted, Kirkland brand. But what impressed me was, like, I don't know if you can see how thick those are. I love it when they cut them a little thicker, because then they're easier to grab, am I right? Not like breaking apart all of the time. So that was it, you guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if there are things that you get, or maybe some of your favorite suggestions from Costco. I would love to try some new stuff. And now I need to put all these things away and start sectioning off those trail mixes and get things ready for lunches for tomorrow. So I'm so glad you stopped by here today on my channel. If you're not subscribing, I'd love you to have you come along and see all of the things that I'm cooking and all of the things that I'm buying. I love hauls, don't you? So thanks for stopping by. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'm so grateful again to all of you. Have a wonderful evening and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.